Brisk is a free Chrome extension. I'm going to click on it again, and I can change the reading level of this article I have up about clouds. It tells me it's an 8th grade reading level. I want it to go to a 4th grade reading level, and yes, I want it to be in English. I hit change reading level, and it puts it into a Google Doc for me. It's now going to generate that article at a 4th grade reading level, and it kept the relevant image for me. Once it's done generating, I can then ask Brisk to add more detail, less detail. I can also ask it to create a quiz or a lesson plan. I can make my prompt a little more detailed and ask it to include an experiment, and then it will do that. It'll generate the lesson plan right here underneath the article for me. Brisk will not only do things related to this clouds article, but I can also just ask it to create a lesson plan about something completely unrelated. So if I click Brisk and click it again, I go back to the main menu where I can create. Anything that's starred is paid, everything else is free. So I could create a presentation, for example, about figurative language. And yes, we'll do 4th grade, 10 slides. With images is paid, a paid feature, so I can do it without images for free. Hit Brisket, and it is going to create a lesson plan for me about figurative language. Here it is. It's going through all the different types of figurative language for me.